Sleepless Beats.
Khumbula umama wami, khumbula umzali wami, khumbula umama wami, khumbula umzali wami, khumbula umama wami, khumbula umama wami, khumbula umzali wami, khumbula umama wami, khumbula umama wami, khumbula umzali wami, khumbula Best friend of mine who lost his mom was 3 years old. His mom was 30 years old. He used to cry at night. He tossed around, moved around, cried a lot. His family didn't even treat him well. He was thinking to take a world
Sleepless Beats.
and run away from his family that's abusing him. He stayed in the street for 7 years, eating on the dustbin. All the rotten food, all the rotten smell was his daily life. Aroma. Until one fateful day in 2017, an old woman took him in the house and gave him food, gave him clothes. Now he's trying to fix his life and he set him fit. Khumbula mama wami, khumbula umzali wami, khumbula mama wami, khumbula mama wami, khumbula umzali wami, khumbula.
Ngizoba strong noma ngalithola ngithuba lakho mama, impilo iyangijike ukushona kwakho mama, ngasala namalungu omndeni bengithi asongifike ngavalile isikhala sikama banginika uthando lokugqibela seyanga impilo iyaqhubeka. Ubuhlungu benhliziyo yami ngibona ngiyamxolela, ithi yangibalahlele nempilo ngizoziphilela. Ngibonge lo mama wangicose esitratweni, uNkulunkulu akubusise uphile ubomi obude emhlabeni.